Treat yourself gently, just like you treat your cherished friends, and give care and understanding. We are often used to measuring ourselves by external standards and forget to appreciate our own intrinsic value. Every life is unique and has its own meaning. Learning to love yourself begins with accepting the present self. There is always a whisper in my heart. It's not good enough, it's not enough. So he camped and chased the unattainable goal. But I forgot to stop and look at the road I had walked. Buddha's wisdom is like a bright moon, reflecting the darkness of our hearts. All comparisons come from climbing outwards. True perfection is not on the other side, but in the present mind. Like a flower, there is no need to compete with roses. It has its own blooming beauty. Looking at the heart, the pure nature, it has never decreased, nor has it increased. It's just covered by layers of delusions. Let go of that unnecessary anxiety and criticism. Let the heart be like water, reflecting the true face of all things. You will see that you are self-sufficient. There is no need to seek externally, it is already complete. That feeling is not good enough, like the foam on the sea. It seems to be real, but it is caused by storms. When the heart returns to calm, the foam dissipates naturally. Learn to stay in the present and feel the tranquility of every breath. Just like the rising sun and the moon, the law of nature. Our inner self also contains endless potential and light. Don't use other people's standards to measure yourself anymore. Every life is a unique miracle in the universe. With a compassionate heart, gently embrace your imperfection. You will find that the real strength comes from the inner acceptance. When you no longer resist, but completely allow it, that feeling that is not good enough will eventually turn into a breeze. Let the light of self-nature illuminate the way forward. Grasp the eyes of others and long to be recognized. Like a lost traveler, he forgot the direction to go home. The real destination lies in the heart. All evaluations are passing by and cannot truly define our essence. Like the clouds in the sky, they gather and scatter, but they have never been stained with the blue of the sky. Our true nature is the same, pure and untainted, bright and comfortable. Why do you care about the opinions of others? And why do you need to change yourself in order to cater? Be yourself and show yourself truthfully. That truth has its own moving power. Let go of the outward pursuit and turn to inward observation. You will find that all the answers are already in your heart. Like a sleeping seed, it contains the power of blooming. It only needs sunshine and rain and dew to break through the ground. Our inners also contain infinite wisdom and compassion. No longer afraid to show your uniqueness. Every shortcoming is a unique imprint. With an heart of accept-ion, embrace every face of yourself. It will be found that true completeness is not flawless, but accepts all existence. Let the inner tranquility guide you to true freedom. I often feel that I am not good enough, like an unfinished sculpture, and I always think that I need to polish and refine it again to be appreciated. But forget that the original simplicity is already unique beauty. Stop the endless comparison and look at yourself in the mirror. Like a flower with buds, it has its own blooming moment. There is no need to be in a hurry, and there is no need to envy the splendor of others. Believe in your inner light. It will gently illuminate the world around you at the right time. Give yourself a little more patience, like waiting for flowers to bloom. Every small progress deserves to be recognized. Don't be harsh, don't deny, and treat your inner voice gently. It's like taking care of seedlings, giving sunshine and nourishment. Allow yourself to be imperfect and allow yourself to have emotions. Every real feeling is an opportunity to understand yourself. Learn to appreciate your own uniqueness, just like enjoying the stars in the night sky, each shining with a different light. Your value is never defined by the outside, but by your own existence. Always looking for that enough, as if it was left somewhere far away. I tried to catch up, but I couldn't touch it. Perhaps enough is never a goal to be sought for. But when you stop chasing and calm down, the feeling that naturally emerges in the depths of your heart. Just like when a traveler is tired, finding a quiet corner, that stability is the destination of the heart. Stop asking for approval from the outside and turn your eyes back to yourself. You have much more than you think. Those unique ideas and gentle kindness are your precious treasures. Like dewdrops in the morning, crystal clear, reflecting the beauty of the world. Believe in your own strength, and you have the ability to create happiness. No longer be shaken by the evaluation of others. Your value is defined by your inner truth. To learn to love yourself is to acknowledge and accept this truth. Learning to love yourself is a journey to understand and accept yourself. By awareness of the inner self and putting aside comparison and criticism, we will eventually find that true value and consummation exist in ourselves.